When you're riding fixed gear bike, track standing is one of the most essential skills to possess. It doesn't matter if you have a very old bike or a very good looking bike, like I do, but track standing is the basis for everything else. Lots of tricks are based on a track stand, so when you've watched this video you will know how to track stand like a pro. First thing to note is when you track stand, make sure your cranks are in a horizontal position like this. Also, put your front wheel at an angle. If you've got your left foot in front, make sure you'll steer to the left as well to give your foot some space. While already seated on the saddle, lift up your other foot and place it on the rear pedal. I'm using this yellow door to give myself a point of reference while balancing. Let's take a look at the mechanics of actually track standing. So if you're tipping over to the side where your front wheel is facing to, just push forwards a little bit. If you fall the other way, just push backwards a little bit to get your center of mass always above the tipping point. So it's very important, ladies and gentlemen, that you never do what I do right here, which is just steer left and right if you fall the one way or the other way. No, just make sure you will always keep your front wheel in the same direction, and by going forwards or backwards you will compensate for falling over. Another very important point is that you never should start learning track standing in your straps, because if you fall you'll fall hard. Oh yeah, it's easiest to do track standing while you're standing up. Use your saddle like this for some extra support. So that's it basically, guys. Now we have some b-roll with which I don't know what to do. So of course, when you are able to track stand very well, you can do some different weird ways to do track stands, like here, just no hands, which is cool. Or do this thing where you put your foot on the wheel and balance like that. Looks pretty sick, I guess. Well, there's this hype of people who put their leg through the frame and then track stand, but I really don't get this, and it's just very uncomfortable and I'm not very good at it, so yeah. You can also do the thing backwards, which is pretty cool. So I thought, why not show that as well? Yeah, there you go. So yeah, that's everything, guys. I hope you enjoyed and see you in the next video.